Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then what you have to do? Yes, you already know it. Yes, you have to hit a like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and if you're completely new, then you have to subscribe my channel and also tap the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you don't want to miss anything of this video, then you have to watch the video till the end. Friends, in our life, we have met different kinds of people at different points of time. There are some people whom we meet for the first or second time, and there are some whom we have met from the day we are born into this world. And when we meet these two types of people, we talk, or the way of talking with this kind of people is different. The one who are very close to us will talk with them in a different manner, and the one who are completely new to us, we will talk with them in a different manner. So today in this video of spoken English, I am going to discuss with you about how to talk with people politely after meeting them. Especially, there are two ways of talking with people. One is formal and one is informal. The formal kind of speech is specially done with such kind of people whom we meet in an office or in the business meetings, our schools, colleges, etc. And the informal one is spoken with those who are very much close to us. Okay, so the ways of speaking with this kind of people will completely different. So let us discuss how we will talk with these two kind of people in different manners. First of all, let us discuss how to speak formally with a person politely after meeting him or her. Suppose I take the example of Mr. Phillips. So how will we say that person after meeting him? Hello, Mr. Phillips, it was nice to meet you. Or you can also say, hello, Mr. Phillips, it was nice to see you. This is a formal way of saying someone politely after meeting him or her. Secondly, we can say, pleased to meet you, Mr. Phillips. This is also a formal way of speaking someone politely. That means the person with whom you are talking will also be satisfied with your behavior. Right? This is a formal way. Then you can also say like this, it's been a pleasure to meet you. So to whom you are speaking, that person will be satisfied with your behavior and he will also get impressed by your behavior. So these are certain ways of speaking politely with someone formally. Now let us discuss how we can speak informally with a person who are very much close to us. Again, if we take the example of Mr. Phillips, we can say like this. It's been lovely to see you, Mr. Phillips. Or you can also say, it was great to see you, Mr. Phillips. You can also say, good to see you, Mr. Phillips. Or you can also say, have a lovely evening, Mr. Phillips. Or have a good day, Mr. Phillips. So these are certain informal ways of saying someone politely after meeting him or her. Okay, so this was a short video on how to speak with someone politely after meeting him or her in formal and informal way. Okay, so this was a short video on how to talk with people politely after meeting him or her, and I hope it will be very much helpful for you and you can apply in your daily conversation after meeting someone. Okay, and I have given the link in the description box for the first video on spoken English, and you can also check the I button above where you will get the playlist of the spoken English course. Okay, thank you for today.